Right, welcome everyone. So now we want to talk about. Okay, let me come here. You know that we have another file called the XML, so which is our config.xml. Then we have votebuilder.json. So now we are done with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We are now at the config.xml. So what do we have here, and then what does it stand for? So let me give you a little explanation about XML. XML is extensible markup language. So it's also a markup language very related to HTML, but major difference is that it does not have predefined tags, unlike HTML whereby there is predefined tags. Let me give you an instance. Inside HTML, if you want to talk about what is this thing that is okay, we want to talk about color and you spell it in the British way, you say COLOUR, it's not going to give you what you want because it has been predefined. It has become, how do I put it, has been fixed that way. But under XML it is not like that. You can define your own tag yourself, but this is standard for the small app that we are creating. Okay, so you first open this bracket, this angular bracket, then you start with question mark XML fashion. So we want to talk about the fashion. I would say fashion 1.0, that is the version of the XML. Okay, encoding actually is the process of converting Unicode, some characters into the equivalent binary representation. You know, binary numbers whereby we have 0, 1 and all of that. So this has to do with Unicode. So the standard that we use is UTF-8. Are you getting it now? So this has to be with the 8-bit encoding form or something. Yes. So after we declare it, then you close it with the closing angular tag. Then we come down to widgets. So inside widgets, so inside the opening, okay, this is the opening tag of widgets, but now inside that opening tag of widgets we are writing some things, some properties, just like we normally do inside HTML. After we have declared div, you know, inside div we can put class, hide it and all of that. So inside the opening tag of widget, now we want to put some things. Then we say adroit version code, we say 1, then the identity of the owner. So the queen of web MP3 Qur'an. So the name of my app is here now, so the queen of web, and that is what we have it. Then the version of this app is 1.00. I declare it. If I after this time, if I try to correct some things on this particular app, I can come here and I'm trying to update it. I'll come here and change it. I can say it is now 1.2.0, or I say 1.01 or something. So it depends on you. Then you come to this place. Actually, XML is W3 school. It is recognized by the W3 school. Are you getting it now? So that is why. So this one is also a standard. So it's also a standard. And then where is it? Okay, the XMLNS. So HTTPS, this one www. So that is just the site, and then widget, and then we close the first tag. So now between the two tags, which means inside the elements, we have what is the name of this app, MP3 Qur'an. The description is the same, MP3 Qur'an. If you have something you want to add to your description, you're free to add it. Who is the author? The queen of web. Then preference. So preference name, orientation. Then here too you can add, come in, so orientation. Okay, So inside your preference, the preference name you chose orientation. Aside from name, you can also give it value, like how you want it to appear on your what is it called, on your device. So for this MP3, since it's going to be a smartphone app, so I'm going to declare it to be portrait. Alright, so then I close the widget. Then I will close the widget, and that is all for config.xml. Alright, see you in the next video where we'll be talking about the vote builder.json. Bye.